Guess what today is? Teardown day. Shoop. I'm gonna get all these little bits taken off. All the trim and stuff, bumpers. And then, I don't know. Start ripping shit apart, I guess. This is B4. Okay. So far we got the fenders. It's not going to be a complete restore, so I don't know how in depth I'm going to go in here, because this probably won't be painted. We'll see. So now I'm just going to do the rear fenders, the running boards, rear bumper, the lights, and we'll go from there. So we're starting to get somewhere. Some damage there. Overall, it don't look too bad. I mean, there's some shit. Gonna plate this. Probably get a C channel or something. This car was undercoated, so that I think saved it, because we're in the Pacific Northwest. So I mean, it's not too bad. Huh. You can see right here, it took a whammy in the front. Kind of dent that a little bit. Looks like they pulled it out though, where it just didn't do enough damage to make fuck. Know what I'm saying? I'll soak it down, pressure wash it, degrease it, and we'll go from there. Okay. Till tomorrow. Peace. So, as you can see, I do a little work without you. Haven't been feeling very good, so I didn't feel like recording, but I did want to get some stuff done. I stepped on the floor right here and fell through. Same here. And I kicked that one through. I have new floor pans, complete floor pans. My only issue is I don't know if I should replace this or just clean it up real good. I mean, it's still pretty solid. There's some spots where it's not, but I can plate this. I don't know. I don't know. I'm gonna pull the top off. I started to disassemble it. I did not realize that this was wood, so I kind of stopped to do a little research. Got the doors all disassembled, the dash for the most part. Gotta take the gauge out, take the steering wheel off. I think I'm gonna take the pressure washer to it, clean it up some. You see the kitty? Say hi, Tara. Say hi. Yes. Don't scratch the screen. That is Tara. I found this on the floorboard. And what would a Volkswagen Bug be without finding a roach in the ashtray? I'm gonna pull the gas tank out and then I'm gonna pressure wash it. So we'll be back.